Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to Academia Coaches. The topic of my today discussion is what is genome? Today I will talk about the genome and I will give a brief introduction to the word genome. When we define the term genome, genome is all of living things genetic material. All of living things genetic material, and all the genetic material is known as genome. The genome is also known as the set of hereditary instructions. Set of hereditary instructions. And these instructions are required for building, running, or maintaining an organism, or maintaining an organism. Set of hereditary instructions, and these instructions which are necessary for building, running, or maintaining an organism is known as genome. And this genome passing life to the next generation. Genome passes life to the next generation. The genetic material is stored in the form of the genome, and this genetic material contains instructions or hereditary instructions which passes to the next generation. In most living things, genome is made up of a chemical which is called as DNA. Genome is made up of DNA. And the genome contains genes. Genome contains genes. And these genes are packaged in chromosomes. Chromosomes. So, the genes are packaged into chromosomes and affect specific characteristics of organisms. Affect specific characteristics of an organism. Genome is made up of DNA, and genome contains genes which are packaged to form the chromosomes, and these genes packaged into chromosomes affect specific characteristics of an organism. So, in short, genome is divided into chromosomes. Genome is divided into chromosomes, and the chromosomes contain genes. And genes are made up of DNA. And genes are made up of DNA. So in short, when we define the genome, genome is divided into chromosomes, and chromosomes contain genes, and genes are made up of DNA. The word genome was first coined is about 1913. The word genome was first coined in 1913. Even at that time, the scientists do not know what is genome and from which the genome is made up of. They only knew that the genome was important enough and it have a name that is known as genome. So each earth species has its distinctive genome. Each species have distinctive genome. For example, the wheat genome. Wheat also have genome. And as we call the genome of cow genome, called viruses, bacteria, E. coli, and everything, viruses genome and E. coli genome, human genome. So each and every species on the earth and has distinctive genome. So the genome, it belongs to species, but they also belong to individuals. Genome is still recognizable as human genome. So this is the brief introduction to the genome. What is genome? Thank you so much viewer, and Allah Hafiz.
Do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest and more relevant videos. Thank you.